Thorpe Park Resort have officially announced the opening day for their brand new attraction, Ghost Train, and it's not too far away. So join me in this video as I discuss what we can expect from the inside of the ride and also tell you when this brand new dark ride will be opening at the resort. So yeah, it was this morning that Thorpe Park announced that this brand new dark ride will be opening on the 26th of May. So towards the end of this month, I think that's in the May half term as well. So really, it's a perfect time to open it. What Ghost Train is, it's a complete refurbishment of what used to be Derren Browns Ghost Train or Derren Browns Ghost Train Rise of the Demon. There'll be no longer virtual reality in this ride, as we all know. And also, Derren Brown will be no longer a part or associated with Ghost Train. Alongside releasing the opening date, Thorpe Park also released this image on your screens now, where we can see the moon shining in the background, and you've got this figure sort of about to enter the train, and just behind it you've got like a house and he's in a graveyard. So it's very interesting to see what sort of the storyline will be for this attraction. Of course, there right in the front of the image you can see the train, which of course was used to be in Derren Brown's Ghost Train. That will still be, by the looks of things, in Ghost Train, still board on that train, and yeah, it looks a lot more ruined, a lot more rougher, that train. You can see some graffiti on the sides. It looks quite dated. So I don't know what sort of approach they're going with this. I can't wait to ride it. I'm so glad they removed the virtual reality. With Derren Brown's Ghost Train, when I first rode it in its early years, it was quite a good ride. I quite enjoyed it. I thought the virtual reality was quite good. And then over the years, it's just got worse. And unfortunately, Thorpe Park haven't kept up with it. And it's great to see, though, that they're refurbishing it. Of course, we've just had Curse at the Alton Manor at Alton Towers opening on the 19th of March, that was. And that was a fantastic dark ride. So if they're doing something similar to Curse at the Manor, then I think we're in for a treat with the Ghost Train at Thorpe Park. Thorpe Park are branding Ghost Train as the next generation of Ghost Train, and it will be one of the UK's longest ride experiences, featuring live actors, multi-sensory effects to create a terrifying attraction like no other. Riders must be a minimum of 1.4 meters tall to ride and is recommended for ages 13 plus. So with this height restriction in mind, and also that recommended age restriction, I think we're in for quite a terrifying and scary, sinister ride here. Of course, 1.4 meters tall to ride goes for all of the thrill coasters at the resort, including Colossus, Nemesis Inferno. So with this height restriction, I think we're definitely seeing quite a scary attraction here. So there we go, not really much more to say, to be honest. Ghost Train opening at Thorpe Park Resort on the 26th of May. Exciting times. This year has really been the year of the dark ride for UK theme parks. We had Curse at the Manor, Valhalla's currently in technical rehearsals, and Ghost Train will be opening later this month. It's fantastic to see the UK getting a wide selection of good quality dark rides, or I say that, let's hope that the Ghost Train is a good quality dark ride. But what we've seen with Curse at the Manor, it shows that Merlin can do dark rides properly when they really want to. But with all that said, let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section down below. You excited for Ghost Train? What would you like to see included in this attraction? Let me know all in the comment section down below. If you haven't already, go and check out our dedicated Nemesis playlist. A lot of you really like those videos, so I've created a dedicated Nemesis construction update playlist where you can check out all the updates from there. But with all that said, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.